Hey y'all, I just wanted to create a video this evening to show you how to use your My Challenge Tracker app in order to run your future challenge groups. I've been running a group for 2 weeks now using the app and I absolutely love it. It is honestly the latest and greatest thing, I think, to hit Beachbody, and we need to hit the ball running with it. We need to get off Facebook and we need to use the resource that Beachbody has really put a lot of time and energy into creating into our best practice. So all you need to do to get started is it's very, very simple to set up your first group. All you need to do is visit www.mychallengetrackerportal.com. Here you'll be prompted with the login screen. You just put in your coach email and your password, just like you do when you log into your Coach Online Office or your TeamBeachbody.com account. In here, you will come to your main screen, and you can see here, and I will explore this in just a moment, my current challenge group, to show you how it works. But I wanted to first show you how to set up a new group. So in order to set up a new group, you need to click this plus new group. Very simple, right? Makes sense. So you're going to push add new group. And I'm going to go ahead and create my challenge group for my upcoming 22-minute hardcore group that I'm going to start at the beginning of April. So my name of that is going to be Bikini Boot Camp. And I'm going to start that on April 4th. And that will be 60 days because we'll be working through this 60-day 22-minute hardcore program. I'm going to select my program. And when you select a program to do for the group, you can do a multi-program one if you're doing a good old fashioned challenge group. Or you can select a specific program that you're going to work through. Like this program is only going to be open it's going to kind of be my exclusive launch to 22-minute hardcore. So everybody in that group will be using that program. And then you can add a description. Welcome to your Bikini Boot Camp. 60 days away from being bikini body ready. Okay, and obviously you can make that your own. And then I actually have a photo somewhere here. Okay. I saved just a little stock image of 22-minute hardcore. And you can save that. So that's what they'll see when they log into their main screen. And then all you have to do is click create group. And from here, you just review your coach profile. So your first name, last name, you can add in an image. I've already done this in the past, so mine's already in there. Your phone number, and just so you know, participants will be able to see your email and your phone number in the contact my coach section, which is really cool. You don't have to share that with them. It's just there for them to reach you whenever. And then your time zone, when you are scheduling out your posts in the app, you're going to want to make sure you select the correct time zone that you want your post to appear for your challengers. So that's simple. You click next. And then from here, this is where you can send out your invitations for people to join your group. So it's really neat because you can send a customized email. So I know for me, I already have email scripts I send out when my challenge groups start. So what I would do, it says, congratulations on being part of the challenge group and committing to a healthier you. That's like the default message that would be sent if you just use that. Or you can just copy paste your own email into there. And then from there, they'll also receive the information through the email telling them to download the app, how to sign in. They send them an invitation code, and then they give them steps to set their goal and start tracking daily. So all you have to do is put in your personalized message right here. And then as you can see, this is the ending of the message. Any questions I've already put in my email and my phone number. to give to the challengers. So then from there, you just push save, and it would save that, ready for you to go. Then from there, you can add in your challengers. So I'm just going to add Jordan. He's going to be doing the program, using the app with me, and his email, and you can add to list. And then you can add all your challengers just like that, just their name and their email. That's all you need. And you can create a list. Now, you do not have to send the email right away. The email can be sent whenever you want. So as you add challengers to your challenge group, you can continue to add them to your list. And then when you're ready for them to start using the app, you just click invite participants. So you would go to that. And it says invitation sent. So Jordan has received that email. But you don't have to click that invitation sent until you're ready to roll. So if you want to kind of put in their emails and their names beforehand just to get yourself prepared, you can do that. Then there's also a feature that you can add in your files. So just like in our Facebook challenge groups, we often add files, photos, just tools like meal planning, meal plan examples, Shakeology recipes, all that stuff to make them successful. You can add into here. It's really simple. You just add files, choose a file, and for instance, I might want to do my weekly meal planner. Well, actually, let's see. Okay. My weekly meal planner, I click open, and you can add title, weekly meal planning, and then you add your file. And it's uploaded there for your challengers to view or download. Now, from here, you can go to My Groups. And I wanted to show you after your group has started. There's not much to see in Bikini Bootcamp because nobody's in there. But let's go to my hammered and chiseled current challenge group. So if you look at the home page, you see the group feed. This is what you can see this on here on your coach portal. So you can do all your interacting with your challengers right on your computer, just like you do with Facebook, if that's what you prefer, if that's what you're used to. Or you can also use your app, which is really neat. So you can take it on the run and go. Very, very awesome and cool. From here, you can see your group feed. You can post to the group. It's just like a wall, just like in Facebook. You can add an image, you can add a video, or you can comment on these posts. So here are my challengers posts for today. Just like you normally see on Facebook. I won't expose them too much. You can also see your notifications here. So it tells you who added a post, who liked posts, commented on posts, you know, the whole deal, just like you're used to on Facebook notifications. From here, you can also schedule and drop your posts. So it's awesome. You can say goodbye to using Sendable or Hootsuite or whatever you use to schedule your posts. You can do it right here on the app, and it's so simple. So you can see I have all my posts scheduled out for next week already for my challengers. I post them at the same time every day, and they're ready to go. So all you have to do to schedule is push add post. Do your copy paste from your curriculum. You can add images to there, and then you just set the date and the time and push schedule, and right then and there you are ready to roll with your scheduled posts. So awesome, right? Another really awesome feature of this challenge group tracker is managing your participants. So here on the participant page, it shows you have 11 challengers in the challenge group. You're able to select their names if you want to send them a message. You can send a personal message just to one challenger. You could select them all. And I do this to send my weekly emails. I don't know, a lot of teams send emails weekly to their challengers, and I do that. So you can send them in bulk, or you can just send them to that one person individually at a time. Just copy paste in your message. You can send messages through this participant feature. Another thing you can do is, first of all, you see their name here, and I'll show you what happens when you click on them, but it shows you how many workouts they've logged, how many days they've logged their Shakeology, because in the app on the home screen there is a direct link for each challenger right from the home screen to select a day. There's a workout button. They click their workout and they log their workout, and there's a Shakeology button where they push and log their Shakeology. And in the Shakeology, we've also been doing our daily ratings. I'm talking about our food, how we did with drinking our water, and then what Shakeology we had. And then, of course, it also shows you anytime they've noted something or added a photo, and, of course, what program they're using. And you can see in this group, everybody's using Hammer and Chisel. These little buttons by their name also show that they've added their goals using the app, and they've added a before photo so that they are tracking their progress. So lots of good interaction here. I think challengers are a lot more likely to put in their before and after photos, to log their measurements and all of that, because they're a little more comfortable, it's a little more personal via the app. And it prompts you, when they download the app, it prompts you right away to do all those things. So, right from the get-go, they're able to do this. I'm just going to click on Callie. She's one of my coaches, actually, so I'm sure she won't mind me showing you her participant page. So when you click on your participant's name, here will show up their photo, which is really nice. A lot of times we're working with people from other coaches that added somebody to a group, or somebody you don't really know very well, so it's always really nice to see their photo. Here you have the option to also send Callie a message through her little home screen here. You see how many days she's logged her workouts, her Shakeology. Days active shows you how many days Callie has logged in and participated in the group. There's also an option here that you can remove the participant. Of course, not going to do that to Callie, but just some settings. What Callie allows you to see as her coach. So, are you allowed to see her photos, her weigh-ins, her activities? I can see everything there. Here also in the info, it shows you what program Callie's working on, what Shakeology flavor she has, her goals too. What's her goal this challenge? That's so important to know your challenger's goals. And a lot of times they won't open up about them personally. But if they log it here, you can check out their goals, and see what they want out of this challenge group. And it helps you be a better coach to them. And then from here, it also shows you a little more detail of her tracked activities. So here, I see Callie's been MIA for the past few days. So as her coach, that tells me, maybe I better come up here and send Callie a message. Just shoot her a message and see what's going on with her. Make sure she's doing okay. Make sure she's still, enjoying the challenge group and seeing results and staying on track. This also just shows you what all these things mean. So blue means she logged her workout that day, and the green means that she has logged her Shakeology. And of course, if you see both colors, she's logged them both. Back to our screen then. And I believe that's pretty much all there is to show you about your My Challenge Tracker portal from your coaching side of things. I encourage you guys all to really just play around with this resource, become familiar with it. It's extremely easy to use, extremely easy. And when you are on that home screen, I just wanted to show you real quick, maybe if this goes away. When you're on the home screen too, if my video wasn't helpful enough for you, Beachbody has also created some video tutorials on how to use the coach portal, and also a video for your participants if you wanted to send them that if they're having trouble navigating through the app. As far as the app goes, it's a simple download and for Apple or Android users, and to learn that, it's so simple. If you're familiar with working any kind of app, it's no different and easy to manage as well. So you just have to take some time to just play with this and get to know it and really utilize this source. I think starting next month, I'm going to hit the ground running, and I'm just going to use this for all of my groups for the future. Get off Facebook a little bit and don't have to rely so much on the Facebook world to run challenge groups. My challengers seem to be really enjoying the app and really engaging in it too. So we have a wonderful resource at our hands. Get to know it, and good luck. And let me know if you have any questions at all about how to navigate through setting up your groups and using this great new resource to us. Have a wonderful day.